Want to make reverse zooms like this? Let's get into the video. Prepare your clips first. Select the clip and add S_blur mo curves effect. Now make a keyframe at the start. Then make another on middle with this value. And make another keyframe at the end of the clip with the value put on first keyframe. Now select all keyframes and press F9 to easy ease. Now open Graph panel and copy my graph. That's it. This is how all the clips look after I do the same to other clips. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you guys learned something new. See you guys in the next tutorial.